For the case of Kelsey Johnson. It says here that you've committed multiple crimes, including fighting a child, faking a disorder for clout, and stealing a Spider-Man t-shirt. Your Honor, that's cap. Right. Let's first discuss you allegedly fighting a child. Your Honor, you have no proof of my client fighting anyone. It's 2025. You know good and well someone recorded it. Hey, she ate that up though.
You need to leave.
Sorry. Your Honor, are you seriously telling me that you've never gotten into a fight with your brother? Oh, so that was your brother. Oh no, I don't know whose child that was, but in the club, we all fam. Okay, let's just move on. Are you on your iPad in court? What? Oh yeah, sorry, it's just the trial was getting kind of boring and my attention span is only 34 seconds. Get off the iPad. Okay. Now let's move on to how you've allegedly faked a disorder for clout. Your Honor, I'm broke. I was just hustling. Well, your hustle has to be legal. Is it just me, or is this judge low-key judging us? Yeah, you're low-key right.